there at the side of the boat, just looking at the photo.
Let's go here. You see. I will come there. Thank you very much. And,
Your Holiness, you know, for the candle stand,
yes, thank you.
it's very specially made from our country.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is your most favorite subject, climate. What type of initiative I have taken in my country? I have given a detailed account.
Le cose che... Questo per lei, questo è un medaglio fatto qui in Vaticano. Vaticano specially बनाया गया है आपके लिए.
Wow.
Si dice l'abbondanza, il grano, l'uva,
Wow.
tutto. E si dice il deserto, traduci tu, il deserto diventerà un giardino. अंगूर है उससे भर जाएगा.
Wow.
Peace. I have seen for you today.
Oh. That's a,
Laudato Si, fratelli tutti, e querida Amazzonia, dove studio il problema del clima in Amazzonia.
it's the
It's very kind of you. Let's go. Medal of 9-year pontificate for you. It is for your mother.
Wow.
आपकी माँ के लिए,
Great.
माँ के लिए आपने कहा ना उठाते हैं ये माँ के लिए और thank you very much. And pray for me. And you. And pray for me. And pray for me.
I'll always remember. I'll be happy to receive you.
Thank you.
Yeah. It's a great honor.
Thank you very much for your visit. I'm happy.
It's an honor for
I'm
me.
very happy.
And I would like to see you in India.
Yes.
It is my great honor to receive you there.
Yes. Thank you very much. And pray for me, don't forget. I talk to you.
Your prayers are always giving me strength.
Thank you.
Good morning, Prime Minister, and welcome. We're very pleased to have you with us.
Good morning, Mr. Prime Minister.
Good morning.
Good morning, pleased to see you. Welcome.
It's an honor.
Welcome. Monsieur Gallagher.
Good morning, Prime Minister. Great pleasure to meet you.
Monsignor Lunchua.
The Desk Officer for India.
Private Secretary.